Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I've prepared stuffed mango kulfi. The season of mango is here, so it's the perfect time to prepare stuffed mango kulfi. And it's very easy to prepare, only 3 ingredients: mango, milk, and sugar. Mayam ngasi stuffed mango kulfi semrabane ina si semraga thamgre. Asisi ingredients si ahum ngaktini ko: sangom, sugar, duga mango. Asi ahum lairidi yare. Yam shammani sembasi ko. So first check out the recipe. These are the ingredients I'll be using: milk, full fat milk, mango, and sugar. Only 3 ingredients. Asi darkar ta 3 ingredients ngaktini: sangom, duga Heinou, duga sugar. Aduga nang na full fat milk later su sangom the milk powder habdi yare. Si sangom si reduce tawhanse 1/3 reduce tawhanse ko. Now I'll be preparing the mango. I have to take out the seeds of the mango. Mango yung maru lau thoka daw bangak tini ko moy maku darkar tai ko. Keep this, don't throw it away. I have to use it again. Maru si phajana sum chori na khra dum tawra lau thok si ko. Aje koi Manipur gi masam yam yaw bu Heinou di yaroi ko. Asi mai maru lau thok si khrawai bu ko. Ado asi gum sina phajana chori na phajana mai maru do adu kak matung da sine dum lai lau thok pane ko. Duga mai pulp se muko half chin biu. Sugar half cup lau re ko asi flat nut te. Nak le taste tawra pa mai chang idum half pi ro ko. I love coconut, so I'll use tender coconut. Tender coconut half serege. This is optional ne. It needs to thicken a bit. Ko krit thick oiba darkar tari si dum thick oidri ko. My color si change tawra khrab ning sai pura white ne ko hauji krit magi color si change tawra khrab ne ko. Milk powder. This is also optional, but with milk powder it's very nice. Milk powder khrab rege ko si half si yam hawe. Yuni na half ter su yai. Dum ma mai apam ne sangom go sugar or su yare ko. The half hen ngai half serege. Make sure to scrape the sides. Some sides in dum scrape tau bi ko some spoon ko. Khra matam ni chang mane se. Now you can see the quantity has reduced quite a lot and the color has changed. It's now 1/3 of the milk. Sangom si yam hanthare ko yeng hanthasu hanthare du color su change tawre thick su oi rakhre ko duni na thang dare se sai 1.5 liter phut pudu hoji a half liter gum nga oi re ko. Stain si sum individual na yare ko cup ta habre ge. Duga si din na still the half ko. Si lim ri. I'll set the mangoes until they are fully frozen. Frozen tau phao tham na se ko se. So here is my stuffed mango kulfi. Hawen soft for you go. Frozen oil shu kan de. Ice cream chap do moi de ba soft for you go. It's very delicious. Superb na pura mai na. Yam hawe mi am so si am simple oge try ta ro yingo. Isin mapana kar kuin tham ni bai ne ga. Wow. Yummy. Mai ne pura. Mai ne. It's perfect sweetness. The taste is so delicious. A bit thick. How am? Miam su si try tawra yingo. Yam shamme. 근데 허지간 맹고 시즌 쇼 여러분이 맹고 시즌 가 CM 하고라고. See why the lois in there game. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Take care.